Some websites are so powerful, so mind-blowing, that they feel illegal to use, but they're completely legal. These hidden gems let you do things most people think require hacking skills or paid software. So in this video, I'll show you 3 incredible websites that feel illegal, but are totally not. First up is photopea.com. Imagine having Photoshop, but online, free, and no downloads required. That's exactly what Photopea offers. You can open PSD, XD, or Sketch files, edit layers, apply filters, use text tools, and even export in multiple formats, all inside your browser. It's perfect for designers, students, or anyone who doesn't want to pay Adobe's monthly subscription. And yes, it looks and feels just like real Photoshop. Next, we've got printfriendly.com. Ever tried printing a web page, only to get pages of ads, sidebars, and random junk? Printfriendly fixes that. Just paste any article link, and it cleans up the page instantly, removing ads, pop-ups, and useless formatting. You can even convert it into a clean PDF for reading offline. It's the kind of tool that feels too good to be free, but it is. And finally, 12feet.io. This site is like a magic trick for paywalled articles. If you've ever clicked on a news story and got blocked by a subscribe to read pop-up, just type 12feet.io before the URL, and boom, it bypasses most soft paywalls. It's 100% legal because it only shows publicly cached versions of the page. It's perfect for researchers, students, or anyone tired of hitting paywalls. Here's a bonus one, tempmail.org. It gives you a temporary, disposable email address for free. You can use it to sign up for websites without getting spam in your real inbox. It's great for testing apps, free trials, or protecting your privacy online. So there you have it, 3 amazing websites that feel illegal, but are totally safe and legal: Photopea, Printfriendly, and 12feet.io. These sites prove you don't need to break the rules to unlock powerful tools online. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more hidden web gems, and share this with a friend who loves cool internet tricks. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.